Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Happy hump day, Western Oregon. Clearly, it is a stormy one out there, and it's staying that way. It's going to be the wettest day of the week. Still not picking much up out on the cameras, unfortunately. Looking back at those, there's not a lot to see. Not dripping down the camera lenses quite yet, but check this out. The weather pattern clearly tells the story of what's going on here. Look at that deep purple area pushing on in to the Pacific Northwest. That's going to be our storm for today. And the blue right there is the cold front that's pushing in currently. So this storm is getting closer, and it's allowing for more moisture to collect over the area and then get rained out with those storm fronts passing on through. And that's essentially just the name of the game for today. But in addition to the rainfall, we've also got wind out there, so I'm going to point out a couple timestamps here of when it is the strongest. 6 a.m. about 20 minutes ago, we did see a lot of gusts out on the coast, and they fall a little bit as we get into 8 a.m., but inland they start to pick up at that point as well. 24 miles an hour there for the gusts in Corvallis. Then we'll move into 9 o'clock. Everyone's getting a little bit slower, but still pretty gusty. Then as 11 o'clock rolls around, this is where we see both the start of a little clearing and the winds getting a little bit less intense, but they pick back up into the afternoon as early as 1 o'clock, and then 4 o'clock seems to be the next real peak in the wind speeds before they do slow down a little bit more into the evening. And if you have all those numbers memorized, you'll notice they come up again here in the Stormcast. That's where we see some of the highest rainfall amounts as well. Looking about 6:30 to 7 a.m. here everywhere, and then gets a little stronger at 8:30, very, very strong around 10:30 for Coos Bay. After that, you see that little clearing zone come through. Then the showers start to develop, and this is where we do have some thunderstorm chances as well, and then the showers continue through the evening. Looking at those accumulations, you'll notice it's very, very wet for today, seeing 0.51 there in Eugene. A little less for Roseburg, but close to about half an inch everywhere except for the coast, where over an inch. 7-day forecast will show you just about 2 days of rainfall coming on up before things change pretty considerably. We start to see sunshine, and those temperatures heat all the way up into Sunday and Monday. For the Umpqua Basin, 57 today and up to 67 by Monday. Same thing for the Cascade Passes, except snowfall Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 38 for today and up to 60 by Tuesday. Big change out there. Willamette Valley seeing the same change, 55 for today, 60 by Friday, heating up and drying out to 65 by Monday. But now